Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna show you how to make concentrated dry yogurt and to preserve it. What we have to do first, we have to make our yogurt, which I made already 3 days ago. You keep this in refrigerator for 3 days, so what it does, it rests, it will be a little bit more concentrated. Labne, we're gonna make, when I say labne, it's the liquid, it's drained, and it will become thicker, concentrated. So what we have to do is, we will just take the yogurt, and we will have to fill it in a cheesecloth. We need a cheesecloth with the bucket first. We'll fill this in the cheesecloth. Any cheesecloth you can have, as long as it has something that you can hang, or you can, tie it and put it into the strainer. You can save some for other times, but this is good, will be enough for how to fill it in our jar. Like I said, if you go on my channel, you will see how I was preparing the yogurt. Very easy, very simple. It worked to do it. You can always leave about few tablespoons or like let's say half a cup for next yogurt when you're gonna make it. I always tell you that do not finish it up so you can buy another milk and you can make your own yogurt, because the yogurt is more expensive than the milk. So you put this in a cheesecloth like this. This is my cheesecloth that I always use. If the weather is cold, you can always hang this outside. You can hang it from the tree, you can hang it outside in your balcony as long as it's cold. If it's not, you just take this out. You already will see how much liquid it's coming. You put in a strainer, have something under, so the liquid will run. At least give about half hour to 1 hour. If you don't have a place, if it's warm, the weather outside, keep it, so what it does, it will shrink, the liquid it's gonna run, and then you will have a place in your refrigerator to put it, whichever way you want it. So you already see in a second how much water it came. So what it's gonna do this, it's gonna drip all the liquid and it's gonna come concentrated. So we're gonna leave this for 1 day, okay? And then once the day is over, I will show you how it looked. We are back now. This is the labne that we did. We hanged it yesterday night, and today it's already ready. The last 10-15 minutes, I just put it in a towel or another cheesecloth, so if there is any liquid to absorb. So now we have to empty it like this. There we go. In case if you have a hard time to take them out, just take the knife and rub it like this. It will come easy for you, and it did very good. So what we have to do now, because the yogurt doesn't have anything, it's really nice and concentrated, we have to put salt in it. We can put about, because it's plenty, I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons. This is not much, believe me. And we're gonna mix it. You have to mix it very well. Look how good dried it is. Because we're gonna preserve this, and anytime you want, you can have it. Make sure mixed very well. So all over the places, it will get salt. You can put your gloves, you can do with your gloves, however you want, however it makes it easier for you. And in case if you want, you can add, I just put it here, you can add mint, and you can add red pepper if you want. I'm just gonna put a little bit mint. It will give good taste. Some people, they don't like the red pepper. I don't have to put it, but if you put, it gives good color and it will give good taste too. But the salt, definitely you have to put the salt, so the yogurt will last you for a long time. This is the way you do. At least mix it about 2 to 3 minutes easy, just to make sure that all the seasoning, the salt is combined in the yogurt. There we go. Now what we have to do is, we have to put a little bit oil in the jar, just very little, like this, just to wet the jar. what we have to do, we're gonna make nice, and then twist it like this so all the jars get oily inside. Of course, later on we're gonna add oil again on it. I'm just gonna put little bit oil over here just for wetting my hands. So because when I roll the labne, I don't want that to stick on my hands. So what I have to do, put little oil, take a little spoon, and you roll it and make it like little balls like this. And you drop it. This is how you do. Here we go. Whenever you see it's gonna stick on your hands, just put a little bit oil. It depends how big, how small you want to make the balls. It's up to you. So because this is when we do breakfast, we take a piece each person, whatever, how many they want, and they can put on their pita bread, on their lavash bread, or any bread. We eat this with breakfast, as a breakfast. We make sandwiches for the kids. They will enjoy it. This is a little bit too big for me. There you go. This way we fill it in the jar. Okay, let me roll it and I'm gonna be back. Do you see, now we rolled it and we put it in. There is plenty left over. We can do another jar too. So after it's finished, we have to put olive oil on it again. And again, you have to make sure that the yogurt, it's covered with olive oil. And then you cover it and you put in refrigerator. It will last you for a long time. Just make sure it's an olive. Don't leave it outside, because if you leave outside, it will get less oil. The outside part that it's not in the oil, it might get moldy. So the oil, it's gonna preserve the salt and oil, but you make sure that it's nice covered. Okay, we can just push a little bit in. Nothing is gonna happen. If you make your yogurt bowl smaller, it might take more. If you do bigger, maybe it may take it a little less place, more place. So there's leftover, you can do another jar. You can give to your family, to your sisters, brothers, whatever. So this is the way you do it. You put the rubber, the cover, and you close it, and this is how you enjoy it. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you'll try it. Do not forget, if you like the recipes, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much again. Bye-bye.